Okay, there we go. I'm back. Okay, so one of the things is she is for a $93 trillion, the Green New Deal, which I knew she was for the Green New Deal. I just didn't know it was to the tune of 93 trillion. That's trillion with a T. I had no idea it was that much money. But anyway, she co-sponsored with Bernie Sanders something called Medicare for All, which I believe most people have heard about by now. Um, and basically, that plan, that initiative, would altogether eliminate private health insurance and private health care coverage. So it would be a government controlled health care. So if that's to your liking, then I guess she's the woman for you. She believes in phasing out fossil fuels and banning fracking, and as well as offshore drilling. So I think of states, like especially like Pennsylvania, or in other places where that's a big part of their, I guess their, not investments, but what they do is fracking. So that would heavily, greatly, and grossly impact them. She is against the border wall. So although altogether now it seems like she's changing her mind and says that she's for securing the southern border. But up to this point in her administration, she hasn't been. She's left it completely wide open on purpose. And if you remember back before now, when Trump was in office and he was building the wall, she called it, and she considered it, a medieval, what did she say, vanity project. A medieval vanity project. That's exactly what she called it. However, most countries, if not all other countries in the world, have some kind of barrier, have some kind of something to, I guess, protect their country. Who doesn't have that? Who doesn't want that safety and that security? She believes in ending cash bail and thinks that convicts and felons, even those on death row, should be able to vote. All the while, she wants to continue to defund the police. At least she did. Maybe not now. Maybe she's changing her stance on that as well. But up to this point, she believed that less cops. It was better to have less cops on the beat. She also is all for AOC's plan to raise the income tax. Check this out. This is a big one. By up to 80%. 80. I can't even conceive of that, actually. That's just crazy. She also is for automatic amnesty for all. So all of the illegal immigrants that are coming over here. She is for giving them amnesty automatically, and even believes that you shouldn't even say the word illegal immigrant, that I guess the term is undocumented persons. However, they are immigrants and they are here illegally. So that's actually what you would call them. And this is the last one. This is the last point that I wrote down, but this is a big one. She is for taxing unrealized gains. So if you this is going to affect so many people. If you own a house or a home, or even your investment portfolio, I mean, whatever, basically any gains on your property or on your investments that you haven't yet received, you haven't yet cashed out. It's not like you sold it or anything. You would be taxed for that. I just, wow, that's just nuts. The point is, this woman is a radical San Francisco type politician. Her policies are even further, are even left of the left. So she's even left of Bernie Sanders. She's left of the left. It would be devastating for her to be at the helm. She's already been the number 2 person. She's already been second in command, and we've seen what's happened with the economy. Remember, Bidenomics? It's working.